I'd hit that.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, whoa! What do
Wanna
you want to
see
do?
her-
What are you gonna do? What are you doing?
Anne Hathaway's boyfriend sentenced to 4.5 years. Wow, that's a lot.
Oh, what did he do?
Well, he scammed everybody and stole their money and said he worked for the Vatican. When he did not.
Aww.
But
Does that mean Anne Hathaway's like back on the market now? At least for
Yeah.
4 years, right? Mm-hmm. Boom!
she's your type?
Ann.hathaway@gmail.com, you think? What is it?
Actually, I have Anne Hathaway's information.
You do not have
Yes,
Anne
I do.
Hathaway. You do not.
I'm friends with Anne Hathaway. Look, Annie is what we call her.
No.
It's
I was actually kind of close.
pretty close,
Yeah, I was pretty close.
but a little bit.
Wow. So, okay. All right.
You want me to set you up?
The Kuzan business.
Well, hold on, Kevin. Who's the one who knows her? So what do you have to do to me? What are you gonna do? Huh?
I'll choke you out.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll knock you out.
What?
Yeah, I'm saying I'll hit you with like a lamp in the back of the head when you're not looking, and then take your phone and look at the info. Is that what you're saying? 30 seconds. That's what you were saying, right?
I gotta do.
That's what you're saying.